How to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page, if you have a Facebook page and then you want people to actually come to your profile page and then tap the WhatsApp icon directly to be able to message you on WhatsApp, it's very simple. Open up Facebook app and then simply tap the three lines option and then just switch to the page where you want to add your WhatsApp link to. Once you switch to that page's profile, you'll see this type of interface where you have to just tap the profile name from the top left of the screen here. Once you tap the profile name right here, you'll find the edit button, so tap on edit. When you tap on edit, just scroll down here, you'll find links. So under links you'll find edit button, tap the edit button again, and right under it you'll find social links, so tap on add social link. Under add social link, here you can see platform. Select the platform option and select WhatsApp here. Once you select WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply enter the link of maybe your WhatsApp group or maybe your phone number. Once you've done that, tap the save option, and next time whenever people visit your profile page, they'll be able to see the WhatsApp link at the bottom of the screen. This way you'll be able to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.